All right, guys. On second thought, we really didn't need to have a Google Meet today because we're just using it for attendance anyway. So I figured it'd just be easier for everybody um, just to have another Friday's directions video up, and then just have you guys check in right then and there, like you're used to. Better for both of us. So obviously, in this little material in this Friday direction video, just check in, say you're here. Um, Make sure to capitalize the H though. Today, guys, just Feral Project again, wrapping it up. Like you guys know, um, most of you guys are making your way. Either you are way behind or you're done. So, um, hopefully this weekend, you way behind people can get it sorted out and take care of business here. Again, we only had about 3 weeks left of school, so really wrap it up quick. Here's how I'm grading if you're curious, as always. And then 25 points due Monday, 8 a.m. So make sure you get it done this weekend. Here's all the stuff you need for the MLA citations. Obviously, I do not expect you guys to use a book. That would be impossible now. So just use the internet, one of your sources from a book. Don't worry about that, guys. We talked about that a little bit in class, too. Obviously, have your MLA citations in alphabetical and use like Citation Machine or EasyBib or something like that to make them for you. And put those on a separate slide or put them on like the back of your poster if you're doing that. If you are making a poster and you're like a full online student, just send me the picture of your poster. Maybe zoom in or maybe take a couple of pictures of the key stuff so I know what's going on. But besides that, guys, I hope you guys have a great Friday. Do something fun this weekend. And I'll see everybody back next week. See ya.